Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hey, do you want to know a certain hack to really upgrade your probability of success with keto? It's a kind of a characteristic that you need to embrace and to take hold of. And it's not a very popular subject online. Probably very few people will be listening to this video, believe it or not, when they really should. And we're going to talk about a special ingredient, pardon the pun, that really will help your keto lifestyle and diet. And that's called accountability. Oops! Not too many people want to hear about accountability, but adapting to a keto lifestyle can be challenging, especially for those that are new to the program. Setting goals and sticking to them can be difficult, but with accountability, it's not impossible. It's essential to have someone in your corner who can hold you responsible for the actions you take in following the ketogenic diet. Yes, you may need support. A support system of accountability partners can make a significant difference in achieving your success. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of being accountable and how it can help you stay on track with your keto goals and establish your long-term goals with the keto lifestyle. Now, there are four basic characteristics of accountability that makes it very, very important. First, accountability helps you stay committed. It really does. When we have someone to hold us responsible for our actions, we tend to stay committed to our goals. The same principle applies when we're on the keto diet and lifestyle. Having an accountability partner can help you stay accountable for the promises you make to yourself. An accountability partner can help you stay focused and motivated on your daily actions to achieve optimal weight loss or other health goals that you have. Okay, so accountability can help you stay committed. An accountability partner can be a friend, an associate, your significant other, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, an acquaintance, anybody to hold you accountable and to keep track of how you're doing with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And frankly, over the past year, I've seen that people need support. They really do. They don't necessarily need advice, but they need support, encouragement, inspiration, that kind of thing. Now, accountability helps you learn from mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable, and they can be frustrating. However, when you make mistakes and have someone holding you accountable, it's easier to learn from them. A partner who is knowledgeable in the keto lifestyle can help you identify areas that may not align with your goals. This way, you can adjust your approach and get back on track with the keto diet as soon as possible. So there are a lot of good reasons for having a support system around you, and specifically an accountability partner. Accountability helps you navigate social situations. You know, social situations are notorious for derailing the most dedicated keto followers. However, having someone to act as an accountability partner for you can help you navigate these tricky situations. For example, your accountability partner can help you prepare for potentially difficult social situations or create an exit strategy should the need arise. Knowing that you have an advocate who supports you can make all the difference in terms of your strivings to success with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Now, the accountability partner can help you celebrate successes too, which is very important. While accountability focuses on progress, it also helps to celebrate the process of progress and significant gains. Having someone who is on the same journey can create an environment of celebration when progress is made. Because keto can be challenging and a demanding lifestyle, it requires dedication and determination that deserves recognition. Always celebrate those small victories. Share your successes with your accountability partner and celebrate each milestone. And number 5, accountability creates a sense of community. Collaborating with accountability partners is essential to creating a sense of community. In the world of keto, being part of a supportive community can offer encouragement and support in times of weakness. By partnering with someone, you are creating a relationship that is based on auspicious, positive energies. This energy is contagious, and it can help inspire better personal and dietary choices. So in conclusion, accountability is the backbone of success in the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Embracing the ketogenic lifestyle takes work, takes dedication, but enlisting the help of a supportive accountability partner can make it easier. The ability to rely on someone who understands this way of life can instill a sense of confidence and allow you to reach your goals and renewed enthusiasm. To achieve optimal success on the keto diet and lifestyle, trust in the process and invite the presence of an accountability partner into your life, a support group into your life. And I think that would increase, for many of you, the probability of your success and having a successful journey on keto. So again, this is Stu Weinstock from Miami, Florida. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the button below for subscribe. I would truly appreciate you doing that. Any comments or questions, please leave them below my video. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow, and I hope you found this video helpful. And again, with accountability, it's not a very popular subject, but for those of you who have stuck in and listened to this video, I'm sure it will leave a very positive impression for you and be of help to you, because I think we all need, at times in our life, a support system around us to encourage us, to inspire us, to push us to moving forward in very, very positive ways. So take good care. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.